In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram, Grok AI versus ChatGPT, and this is going to be a comparison video. So the first thing you want to do in order to go ahead and use Grok AI on Telegram is going to be opening Telegram, searching for Grok in the search bar, and then simply starting a chat with it. In order to go ahead and use ChatGPT, you want to download and install the ChatGPT application, create an account, and again, you can start chatting with it. So there are a couple of things you can go ahead and do. So for Grok AI, you won't be needing any accounts. You can simply go ahead and just open and use. On ChatGPT web and app, you need an account, so sign up. Ease of use is very, very easy for Grok, and ChatGPT is also fairly easy. There's 24/7 on AI or 24/7 support on Grok AI Telegram. There's also 24/7 on web or app of ChatGPT. Response speeds are also very, very fast. The AI model at the moment is Grok by XAI, and there's OpenAI ChatGPT 4. There's also features like chatting, question and answer, text generation, and more in your features for Grok. There's also advanced chat, code, images, files, and plugins on ChatGPT. So multimodal is just text only for now for Grok Telegram. It's text, images, files, and voice on ChatGPT. Cost is completely free at the moment. ChatGPT has free and paid both available. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.